Avoid repairing driveway cracks when the surface is hot, dirty, or the crack is allowed to move without the right materials. Start by assessing the type and width of the crack. Hairline fissures under 1/4 inch need a different approach than wide or actively moving cracks. Clean thoroughly using a stiff brush and compressed air or a leaf blower to remove dirt, vegetation, and loose debris because any contamination prevents adhesion. For narrow cracks, use a pourable flexible filler, and for wider openings, first install a foam backer rod to establish proper depth and to prevent three-sided adhesion that causes failure. If the concrete expands and contracts seasonally, select a flexible sealant labeled for joint movement and follow the manufacturer temperature window, typically between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and never apply in direct sunlight or on hot concrete. Tool the sealant with a flat-edged trowel or putty knife to form a smooth finish and remove excess so water sheeting will not collect. Allow proper cure time, which can be several hours to a few days depending on product and humidity, before driving or applying any load. Common mistakes include applying filler in direct sunlight or on hot concrete, which causes premature cure and poor adhesion. So always work in shaded areas or early morning when the surface is cool. Skipping cleaning is another frequent error. Any dirt or vegetation left in the crack prevents bonding, so always brush, vacuum, or blow out the joint thoroughly before filling. Using a hard patch compound on cracks that move will lead to recracking because rigid materials cannot accommodate thermal or structural movement. Choose a flexible sealant and include a backer rod sized to the crack depth to control sealant thickness and performance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information that helps people decide what repairs and materials match their needs. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, recommendations, and practical tips to help plan and execute driveway repairs.